the mother of Gabriel Fernandez, who is serving life in prison for his violent death, wants a chance at a lesser sentence. Good evening, everyone. I'm Pat Harvey. Pearl Fernandez is currently serving life in prison without the possibility of parole. And now she wants that thrown out and reconsidered because of a change in state law. CBS 2's Serene Branson is here now with Fernandez's position for a resentence. Serene?
That's right, Pat. And you know, I still remember that awful feeling, as many Southern Californians did have back in 2013, when we first learned of 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez's horrible abuse inside his Palmdale home. Now his mother, who pleaded guilty to first degree with the special circumstance of torture, wants the same judge that sentenced her to re-sentence her. In her petition for re-sentence, Pearl Hernandez argues now she would not be convicted of first or second degree murder because of changes made to Penal Codes 188 and 189 that took effect January 1st of 2019. The change to the penal codes was meant to address the concerns of people being unfairly convicted of murder, but who did not actually kill. Now, Fernandez claims that she wasn't the actual killer, that it was her boyfriend, Iswaro Aguirre, who is on death row for the crime. She also claims that she did not aid and abet in the killing of her own son. Deputy District Attorney Jonathan Hitami, who tried the case, is upset about this. He told City News Service the following, saying, "This is completely unfair to the surviving families and their loved ones. Based upon the evidence presented at the grand jury, which was made public, and the jury trial, Pearl Hernandez was a major participant in the torture and murder of little Gabriel." Gabriel's cousin, Emily Carranza, just spoke to our Nicole Comstock about Pearl's petition.
It's kind of disturbing that she would even consider this. I mean, honestly, I get it. Nobody wants to be incarcerated, but she chose her own fate. She knew what she was doing when she took her son back from her parents. She knew by torturing him and, you know, the result of feeding a child always, it's never good. Some kids escape it, and unfortunately, Gabriel didn't. And they made sure of that. So for her to get a lighter sentence, to want to be resentenced, it is really ridiculous. And honestly, she shouldn't even have a choice to have this done for her.
On June 1st, Pearl will come face to face with the judge who sentenced her to life in prison. He will also decide whether to throw that out and resentence her. We, of course, will have much more on this story tonight on CBS 2 News at 11 p.m. I'm Serene Branson. Pat, now back to you.
All right. Thanks so much, Serene.